Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, Agri Organics. In this video, we will see the step-by-step registration process for ICAR PG and PhD counseling for the year 2024. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe our channel. Our channel is the only channel to give ICAR counseling related videos in English since 2021. So you can share our channel with your friends also. For this, first you have to go to icaradmission.in. If you scroll down, here will be applicant login. So you have to click on this applicant login. It will go to the next page, and here they have given this important instruction. So first thing is your login ID. So the ID will be NT application number, that is what they have mentioned in your application and in admit card, and the password will be your date of birth. It will be in the reverse order. For it will be first start from the year. It will be like 1999, and month it will be 06/8, month and date. First it will be year, next it will be month, and third it will be date. If you scroll down, here will be sign in. So here you can enter your application ID. Here it will go to the next page. First you have to do your choice filling registration. Next you have to do choice filling. So before that you have to register all your details. Procedure has been changed this year. Here now only they have told to upload the documents and the signature, everything. So first you have to get this one, and the last date for registration comes within 2 days. So you have to do register within that time. So if you are not having any certificates or the documents, you have to get from your respective universities as soon as possible. You get it from today or tomorrow. Here first click on this application details. Here you can enter your details. Some of the default informations are given there, so it cannot be changed. Category can be changed, and next is physically challenged. So here it can be changed. Next date of birth, it also can be changed, but you cannot change your name, father's name, mother's name. So if you have done any mistakes earlier, you can change those things given in the comment regarding that one. So you can change your details here. Next is your nationality. You can select the nationality. Next is application mobile number. This application mobile number also cannot be changed, and application email ID, it also cannot be changed. Then they have given father's occupation. So here you can give your father's occupation. Next, mother's occupation. Next is country. So actually earlier they have asked with nationality, so you are Indian or not, so that one they have asked. Here they have asked your country. Next is alternate mobile number. So here you can enter your alternate mobile number, and you can enter alternate mail ID. I don't know why they are asking this question. Are you diabetic or not? Next is are you presently employed? No. Next is state of domicile, which state you are belonging to, so you can select your state. Next is subject group, so which subject you have attended examination, and which subject, in that subject how much mark you have scored, and the residence place. Next is a permanent address. Here they have asked this permanent address. Be careful, this permanent address should be matched with any of your documents that you are giving for verification. Your post office name. Next is state, which state you are belonging to. Next is pin code. Next is correspondence address, same as permanent address, so you can give. If it is different, you can give that different address. Once you check all these details, then you can give save and proceed. You have left some mandatory fields blank in this section. They are marked red for your convenience, so you have to check once again, and you can give save and proceed. Next is coming for photo and signature for PhD course, that is if it is for PG, it will come yours. So here they have given the photo and the signature that I have uploaded at the time of application. You can click on save and proceed as it is okay. Next is here they have asked this education details, so you cross check once and twice. Here 10th, 12th, next graduation, post graduation, everything. So here in 10th, first we have to select the university or board, in which university or board you have cleared, and the duration, course duration, everything, and the marks type, percentage, everything. Next is 12th. Next is graduation. So you did graduation from which university. You select your university, everything clearly, and you check your OGPA, CGPA, everything is correct or not. So that is very important. Everything should match with mark sheet. Next is post graduation, from which university or which college you did your post graduation. If you are from any university other than what is mentioned here, here you can go to others and you can type that university or institute name, give save and proceed. you have to upload all the details. So you have to first you have to upload the admit card given by NTA. So you have to choose the file and you have to give it as original only. Next, mark sheet or certificate number. So what they have mentioned in that certificate, so there will be some certificate or mark sheet number in the mark sheet, so you have to enter that one and you have to upload. Next is rank card issued by ICAR to the qualified candidates. Next is a proof of date of birth. You have to upload your 10th mark sheet or 12th mark sheet. Next is your category certificate. So copy of SC, ST, UPS, OBC, NCL and general EWS category. That documents you have to upload. Next, and all certificates and mark sheets, grade reports related to class 10th and 12th. Next is graduation mark sheets. Next is a domicile certificate, your Aadhaar or a copy of any other identity proof in which your photo should be there. So that is very important. Next is character certificate issued from the head of the institute last attended. This you can get from your principal or from your dean of your college only. Next is a sponsorship or declaration certificate for the in-service candidates. This will not be applicable for most of our subscribers, so you can leave this blank. Next is final year grade sheets or mark sheets certificate from register of the concerned university. Upload your final year mark sheets or grade reports, or else if you are not having PDC or mark sheets, you have to get certificate from your register of your university, that as we have explained in our previous video that uploaded yesterday. So this is for the identity proof. So all these documents you have to upload. There will be two type of admit card. One admit card will be you can directly download from your NTA website, that what you have downloaded in NTA website, you can upload that admit card. The another one admit card will be like after attending ICAR examination from the exam center, they may have returned that admit card along with the seal and their signature. So that one also you can scan and upload. Either of these two you can upload. There will not be any problem. Next is rank card issued, so you can upload that rank card. And another one important thing is mark sheets. So you have to make all these mark sheets in a single PDF and you can upload. So here they have asked from all certificates and mark sheets or grade reports related to class 10th and 12th. So you can upload those things. In most of the universities or institutes, there will be second page. So if your second page is blank or written something also, just you can scan and upload. So that will be okay.
So we accept the sponsorship certificate or declaration by in-service candidate. Here everything is okay. You cross check it once and twice. You cross check it whether it is original or provisional, and then you check your mark sheet and certificate number. Then you can click on proceed here. So after you click on proceed, it will appear like this. In this preview page, you can verify all your details and you can click on this I confirm the above, and you can confirm and submit. Next you have to go to proceed to payment. So for choice filling, so before choice registration for choice filling, you have to do the payment. So payment for choice filling will be ₹500. So payment type you can do through online.